Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Symphony Sumo Cooler. First, carefully unpack your new cooler and remove any protective packaging. Next, position your cooler strategically. Placing it near an open window or door allows for the best evaporative cooling performance. Always ensure it rests on a stable, level surface to prevent spills. Finally, plug the power cord into a compatible electrical outlet, making sure the power supply matches the cooler's specifications for safe operation. Now, let's get your cooler running. Open the water tank compartment and fill it with clean, cold water, observing the water level indicator. For an extra cool breeze, you can add ice cubes directly into the dedicated ice chamber. Once filled, use the intuitive control panel or remote to switch on the fan and activate the water pump. You can then easily adjust the fan speed to one of 3 settings and turn on the automatic swing function to distribute cool air evenly. Your Symphony Sumo Cooler is packed with features designed for maximum comfort. It utilizes high-efficiency honeycomb pads that retain water effectively, ensuring superior and consistent cooling. Many models also include iPure technology, which employs multi-stage filters to help purify the air. A powerful fan system delivers an impressive airthrow, capable of cooling large rooms up to 400 square feet. Plus, it's energy efficient, consuming only about 190 watts, making it inverter compatible. To keep your Symphony Sumo Cooler performing its best, regular maintenance is key. Clean the water tank every few weeks with mild detergent to prevent mineral deposits and unpleasant odors. Also, inspect and rinse the honeycomb cooling pads to remove dust and debris, ensuring optimal evaporation. Before storing your cooler, especially for off-season, completely drain all water. Finally, always ensure the air vents are clear of obstructions for efficient air circulation and effective cooling.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.